So far, after the last week and a half, we have discussed 5 different rules. One of those rules being that with logarithms, addition becomes multiplication, subtraction becomes division. Here's another one. The fly like a bird properly is number 3. And number 4 was yesterday, and that was if you're solving an exponential equation, you're going to use logarithm. And now rule 5 says if you're solving a log equation, you need to raise both sides of the equation with a base of 10. So let's take a look. I'm going to take this problem over here that's log 2x. I'm going to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to put log 2x is equal to 1. They want you to go ahead and solve for x. So what's going to happen is I'm looking for to raise both sides of this equation up to 10, power of 10. So on my next line, I'm going to put a 10 raised up to the power of log 2x is equal to log, oh, not log, sorry, check that. We're going up to base 10, so I'm going to do 10 to the power of 1. On the left-hand side, if I have a 10 and a log base 10, those are going to turn into 1. And now I'm going to have 1 times 2x, which is 2x, is equal to 10 to the power of 1, which is 10, divided by 2. X is equal to 5. I'm going to solve a different question. Let's take this for instance. Let's go with log of 6x minus 3 equal to minus 4. Log 6x minus 3, I want to make this 3 get moved to the other side first, so I've got log 6x is equal to, if I add 3 to both sides, that's going to make negative 1. I'm then going to go ahead and use my rule number 5, which says on both sides raise it up to the power of 10. So I have 10 log 6x and 10 to the power of negative 1. Those both cancel and turn into 1. So on the left I have 6x is equal to 10 to the negative 1 power. The negative 1 power is like 1 over 10. Because that makes negative exponents. If you move them to the bottom, they become positive. I now need to solve for x, so I'm going to divide by 6, which means over here I also need to divide by 6. So it's like multiplying by 1/6. We've got x is 1 over 60. Again, the reason why I have a 10 on the bottom is because that negative 1 means negative exponent, move it to the bottom. Last example I'm going to give is question log x plus 4 equals 8. Again, here I'm going to take this 4 and move it by subtracting on both sides before I go anywhere. Now I've got log of x is equal to 4. I'm then going to take the power of 10 to both sides, so I've got 10 to the power of log base 10 of x, 10 to the power of 4. Those ones again cancel to 1, so I now have x is equal to 10 to the 4th power, which is a 1 with 4 zeros, and x is equal to 10,000.